we go.
Hello everyone, this is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader, and right now I'm testing out my new bot. I got it running in the background. Let's see if it's still going. There it is. Nice sell trade. Another nice sell trade. Just going to town there. I like that. Here, let's go back over here and take a look at it. This is a robot that I really like a lot. It's a system that I like to trade a lot. I like to use the RSI a lot, and to me it's very important that when the RSI is underneath the 50, I'm selling, and when I'm above the 50, I'm buying. And that's usually anywhere from the 10 to the 14. It just depends what time frame you're trading. Another thing that's really cool too is, which I was using today, let me zoom out. You can see here you can put the trend lines on it so you can catch it even lower by itself. So what in the trading we're looking at, we had this pump right down. As soon as I saw it cross that, then I knew we can get in for a buy early and run it on up and get out. This is a great manual system. The idea is, let me zoom in just a little bit. Here we go. The idea is you get the arrow, you take the trade, you make sure that the green is above the 50, you buy in. Now this one here broke back down, told you to get, it was going back up, so you stayed in the trade. When you got the red dot, you would get out, so it worked out nicely. This one told you to sell, it told you a green dot, told you to get out. So that's how it works. Now the robot actually takes the trade either from arrow to arrow, or it takes it from just arrow to trailing stop to take profit. And they have 4 different ones. One of them has a close, which is the opposite arrow. The other one has confirmation, where it gives you a sign to take the trade. The other one has time and day, so you could have which days and what time of day you want it to trade. So we got 4 different bots for you to use. For me, just the one without the close that runs is just fine for me. I like that one a lot. Seems to work very well. Let's see here. I think I'd already run it on the tester earlier. Let's take a look at this. So it made $2,575 in 1 month, 1.16 expected payoff, so that's pretty good. Everything on here looks really nice. Let's see here. We're running it on the 5-minute chart. You can see the chart. It did come down here a little bit, so we had, looks like we had 1, 2 losing trades in here, and then after that it started going back up. So it's a very nice equity curve, not too bad. The fact that it makes money on the tester is pretty good, because usually the tester is very difficult because it's not as accurate as I like. It actually runs better on live money. When you have, I have it on a demo account, it does even better. But it definitely makes money, and the one good thing about it is it comes with me, so I can help you adjust it. I'm going to do some videos that'll help you adjust it, to know how to adjust it, know which ones to use and why to use them. And then if you have help after that, you need help, just get a hold of me and we'll get together. Either I can make you a video, or we can get together in a meeting and actually go over whatever it is that's not working for you so we can make it work. Because this is a pretty profitable robot. It should be making you money. And the one thing is you can let this run all the time. It doesn't have any gigantic losses. That's what I like about it, where some robots, oh my God, they'll wipe out your account. You can't trust them, and that's a big deal. You got to be able to trust your bot. If you can't trust your bot, you shouldn't be using one. So the other way to use it too is to run it on 4 or 5 pairs. There's one that has a sign that pops up, says confirmation, and you go look at the trade, and if you like it, you push yes. If you don't like it, you push no, and you get rid of all the signs. Or you just let it take the trades on 4 or 5 accounts, or 4 or 5 whichever pairs you like, and then just be the money manager. Come through and say, okay, that's a very good trade, I'll let that one run. Oh, we got a red dot, we're going to exit that one right here. We don't need the robot to close it out, we'll close that one out. So you can become the money manager. It comes with everything you see on the template. It comes with the colored candles, it comes with the arrows, the RSI, everything already all pre-set up, GG trend bar, spread, pip calculator. So it's all set on there. And if you need something else, I'm sure I could help you whip that up. It's not a problem if you're trying to make a different template, but this is the best template for it, because basically when you're above the 50, this white line, you're buying. When you're below it, you're selling. You can see right here, we had it jump above. You had a nice buy trade. And also right here, you had a nice buy trade coming up. This is all scalping. This is a 5-minute chart. Works the same on the 15. Actually have some bigger trades on the 15. You had one come down, you would exit on the green dot. Let's see, I had a pre-trade here, went down. This one here kept you in it. That's another one back in here. Is a really nice trade coming up. So the 15 works really good. It works on all time frames, so that's not a problem. Right here you can see you had one big trade up, one big trade down. You just get less trades as you move up, even all the way up to a day chart. If we go to the day chart, you went up here, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days. This one I would have stayed in it. As soon as I saw a red candle, I think I would have exited. Also, you got a double top, but definitely when you gave you the opposite arrow, I would get out. Over here, it went all the way down and it turned green. So it works out really good just by using the colored candles. So, I mean, you get in here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even gave you the RSI dot to get out. But when you get the red candle, you should probably get out. So usually how it works on that works out really nice. So even for swing trading, it works. It's a great system. You'll like it a lot. It's very profitable. Now this is going to be selling for $197. It's going to come with the 4 bots. Let me show you that. I think I have them hanging around here somewhere. There we go. So it comes like this. You just double click to open it up. Here's all your EAs, which are your bots. You open those up, double click. It has one that's the normal one. It has one that has the time and day on it. Has another one has confirmation, gives you a sign, and another one that closes when it gets the opposite arrow. So you can try all 4 of those on a demo, see which one you like the best. That's usually the best way to do it. Let's see indicators. Let's see what we got in here. Got quite a few, I'm sure. We got best ADR. That's always nice to know how far away you're going to go. The high, daily high and weekly high. We have the FX fish, GG trend bar, the candles, which are the candles. We set those to number 1. These are the same ones for the candles. We have the RSI cross arrows and the RSI cross dots. You need both of these to make the dots work. Those are the dots that tell you to get out. It's a 314 cross. The other one is the Super RS cross arrows that I put on there. The pipometer, the RSI 50 cross arrows. So right here, this one just does all the 50s. And then we put the indicators with it, which gives us just the trending ones, which is much more profitable. Then you guys got the symbol and time and the triangle MACD, which is probably the best trending indicator out there. So you just copy all these right here. Whoop, got to get them all. And then put copy and then put them all into your data folder and you'll be all set to go. And then the EAs the same way. So when it's time for that, you just go back, open that up, copy them all, push copy right here, and then go over to your template and open up your data folder, go over to the MLQL4 number and then hit that and then go to your EAs and drop those in. Real easy to do, not a problem. Let's see. But here's our trades going. Works really good. I can't say enough about it. Been testing it. I really like this anyway. I like trading it just manually. I just like seeing the trades. I like it on the 15 myself. It runs good on the 5, you get more trades, but the 15 definitely larger trades. I mean, heck, if you stayed in this one just till it turned green, it was a good trade to stay in. You didn't need to pull back up and do all this. And it works good for the RSI to be able to get in tight, so you got to know you got a double bottom. As soon as it broke the trend line, boom, I was buying right here, bought it up, pulled back down, stayed in the trade, still going. And right now it's got the arrow, which is going to start going up. So it's a great, great system. You want to buy when you're above the moving average, sell when you're below. That's the best way to do it. Works out really nice, and the robots take the trades effortlessly, so it's pretty good. And if you have any trouble, you have me. So I guarantee it'll make you money. If not, it will help you make it money. That's not a problem. It's just getting it set up maybe for the right time frame or to make sure you got the right parameters on there. So let's see, what do we got on here? You can run the RSI on the 10 all the way to the 14, maybe even bigger. I've never run it on the 16, but I run it 14 or 10. 10 is for the 5 minute, 14 is for the 15. Right now I believe this is set up for the 10. So if we take this, all you do is set this up for the 14 and then change the robot to. So it works out well. So now that's the 14. Note some little bit of difference, not a whole lot, but yet there's a little bit. It's just a little bit, a couple 14 days back instead of 10 days back for the RSI. That's all. Works out really nice. We're set up here for a buy trade to start going up, so it's perfect. So if you want to get this RSI bot, this one is perfect for you. You definitely help you make money in the markets, and it can trade when you're not able to trade. And that is really the big deal. So John Super RSI 50 cross EA can be yours for $197, and that's a great price because not only does it come with 4 bots, it comes with all the indicators, comes with a template that you can trade manually, and it comes with me. So if you have any help at all, I'm here to help you. This is actually a great trade right now. Looking at this, if anybody's looking for a trade in the market. This is gold, 15-minute chart. We have a triangle that's starting to break out above the moving average. That's usually a pretty good trade. So the RSI is catching a great trade going up. So look for that trade. It will make you money. All right. Anyway, thank you so much, everybody. If you want this, it'll be in the YouTube. It should be at the bottom. It won't be. I think maybe I don't know if I'll have it over at the website. I might be able to get that over tonight. But if anything, I will put a PayPal link to it so that you can purchase that if you're in a hurry. But if not, I'm sure I will get over to the website and get that all hooked up tonight. So anyway, we'll talk to everybody later. Any questions, please get a hold of me. Okay, bye-bye.